Patricia Borges, and we're here at one of my listings in the city of Hialeah. This is a beautiful condo, and I'm super excited to show you about it because the seller has renovated it entirely and they have spared no expense. Okay, so right now we're in the living/dining room area, and as you can see, it's extremely spacious. They've just put down all new flooring. It's got vaulted ceilings. It's very bright. I really love the color of the paint that they chose. They decided to do these renovations so that they could sell the property for a little bit more money. So now we're gonna show you the kitchen area. The kitchen cabinets and the appliances are about 2 years old, and you have beautiful granite countertops. But this is an amazing space, and it's open so that you can cook and at the same time entertain your guests if you have any. Another feature that I love about this property is that from the kitchen, you actually have access to a very wide and long balcony. So now I'm gonna show you the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, but in the meantime, I wanted to let you know that the entire property has hurricane impact shutters, which is great for discounts on your insurance. Master bedroom, very spacious, also has an exit to the balcony, which is another feature I really love. And over here, you have a very spacious walk-in closet. Master bathroom has been completely renovated with porcelain tile and beautiful European cabinetry. And then over here you have a linen cabinet right inside your master bathroom. Okay, we're in the living room again, and now we're gonna show you the guest bedroom and second bathroom. All right, so just to recap, you got brand new flooring, all new woodwork around the house, new paint, new kitchen, new master bathroom, and this was all done in order for us to be able to get more value out of this property. We meet up with the sellers and we give them tips on things that they can do to improve the value of their property. So if you're looking to do something like this, feel free to call us 305-423-5112.